Hello guys, and welcome to part 2 of how to build a Soundboard app. First of all, just a recap, we've placed all the code, okay, we've done all the code for main view controller, we've done all the code for flip side view controller, and we've done all the code for application delegate, okay, in the part 1. Basically, I need to just tell you guys to go back to application delegate .h, okay. I forgot to place a bracket here, so you need to do this, otherwise the app will not work. My bad, I'm very sorry, I got a bit carried away with everything. So if you place your cursor where you can see mine flashing and do the return bracket, okay, there, that one, that needs to be there, save it. Right. What we need to do first of all really now is make a plist like this one, okay, with one sound in. Now if we don't have this plist, when you push the custom button, the app won't know where to get the sound from. So basically I'm going to show you how to do this. So I need to delete it. Okay, delete, okay, gone. So what you do, go click on your info.plist, right click, control, reveal and finder, okay, let me just delete that, let's just delete, because this is from before, right, info.plist, there she is. Now make a copy and paste. There's the copy. Highlight the copy and change the name to sounds.plist. Save. Okay. Close that and close that. Come back here to your project. Highlight the info list. Same again. Right click or control click. Add existing file. There it is. Sounds.plist, add, okay, now it's going to be an exact copy of your info list, okay, almost an exact copy. So basically we need to delete everything, delete it all, click on your dictionary there and change that to array. Now hit the button, the tab on the right to select a string. Basically you need to type in there the name of your sound, and well, our name of our sound isn't a name, it's a number, so I'm going to type in the number 2011-09-10 space 211-545. Okay, hit save. If we wanted more, if we had more sounds in our sounds folder, we would add those sounds in the same order as they are in here. It's very important that they're in the same order. Now that sound now is item number 0. It's not. It's actually item number 1. Okay, so bear that in mind. If you've got a long list of sounds in here, bear in mind that the first one is not 0, it's 1, and so on and so on and so on. So the first one's 1, second one's 2, 3, 4, so on and so on. There is never an item 0. Item 0 is always 1, and then from then on it's in order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, blah 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 blah. So we've saved that now. So now what we're going to do is we're going to open up the interface builder by double-clicking mainview.xib. So mainview.xib, double-click. That's going to open up interface builder, which is here, and here we go. Okay, so this is interface builder. I've already placed the custom button on. Okay. I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So, my background image is black. I've done that already. Basically, in your library, okay, you need to select round react button, drag it on, okay, change that to custom button. Okay, this is how to do a custom button now. Right. let's change the size to something even. There we go, 70-60. Image. We're going to choose the image that we've placed in our image folder. So that's crystal.png. Okay. Ideally, you'd need 2 more pictures, 2 more images of that same image, preferably exactly the same but different color. So basically, what you need to do really is have a different image for when it's pressed and when it's disabled. If we did load in 2 different pictures, we would select the selected state and then we would choose the image to correspond with that. If you had disabled state, we would choose an image to correspond with that. So basically it's the same image but just different colour. So when it's pushed, it would change colour. But you can have it however you want, black and white, different colour, it's up to you. So that's that. What we need to do now is make that button a working button. So we click on Files Owner, second tab along, and there we go, play sound. That's the received action that we typed in for our code. So play sound, you want to drag that to the button, and once you've let go, you then click on Touch Up Inside. Okay, so that button is now a live button, but it's not going to do anything until we tell it which tag to play. Okay, so in our code, we typed in all that code, sounds.plist to play tag of CAF type. Now, this tag is tag 1, the one sound that we placed in here, okay? I know it says item 0, but it's not, it's 1. Okay, now that's that done. So save, quit interface builder, back to our project, make sure we have simulator selected, build and run. Here's our simulator. There's no loading page as yet because we haven't done that. Our app is loaded and there's our button and here's our sound.
In this next year, we shall examine the human heart. It is more fragile than a rubber.
Okay, obviously I haven't placed in there different versions of this button, so when we press it, it just has the pre-programmed default image, which is just a darker image, which is fine. You don't have to have a customized selected state button, but it's up to you. If you look at my version of Jorel's Wisdom, when you press the button, it goes purple.
It is forbidden
Okay?
for you to interfere with human
And that's
history.
just your personal preference. So quit that. So that's the customized button, and that's the sound playing. If you have any more problems with the code, please go through it with a fine-tooth comb. Like I said, if you haven't already, change Soundboard app delegate.h. Just literally add in this, the return bracket there. Apart from that, all the code is fine. Let me know if you have any issues. I can email you them. In our next lesson, I'm going to show you how to load up your default image and your icon. So when the app is closed, you'll have a small icon on your home screen on your iPhone or iPad or iPod Touch or whatever. So that's it for part 2.